Hi guys, welcome to another week of high school art. We're on week 2 right now, and here we go. There we go. All right, so welcome to our first rainbow wall ever. So this is what it'll generally look like. It'll have the artworks of artists on it, maybe a sketch highlight that I really liked, maybe a project we're working on. But these were just some sketchbooks that were phenomenal, completely covered, very colorful. The names were very legible, and some sketches as well. Some students who just went above and beyond. So great job, guys. This week, our artist spotlight is Vasily Kandinsky. He's a Russian artist. I think you guys will like him. And we also have some sketches to go with that. So Monday is family, Tuesday is shapes, Wednesday, where we're just copying the artist quote, there is no must in art because art is free. We have Thursday is music, and Friday is Russia. I am seeing a problem with some sketchbooks, so I want to go over what a sketch should look like. Every week's worth of sketches, Monday through Friday, should be fitting onto one page of your sketchbook. So you can see that over here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, for example. Sketches should not be done on notebook lined paper. Students should have a unlined sketchbook as it is a required material. You should have had that with your supply check. So any sketches I see on notebook paper with blue lines is going to receive half credit from now on because that is not a sketchbook, that's a notebook. So you need to go out and you need to do it on blank paper, no lines. And sketches, there should not only be one sketch on a page. There should be 5 sketches on each page. So you'll need to learn how to size them down so they all fit. That way, when we do sketchbook checks, you only have to submit 1 or 2 photos of your sketches instead of taking 5 photos of 5 different pages. That's a lot to turn in, and that can be really tricky over time. So please keep your whole week's worth of sketches on one page. This week, we will sketch 5 new prompts, and we've already gone over those sketches. We will complete an artist spotlight. I love the spotlights coming in. You guys have been doing great with that. This artist this week is Vasily Kandinsky for 10 or 15 minutes to become aware and involved in the art world and art history nationally and internationally. And we're going to continue to master art skills again for 10 to 25 minutes. All right. So again, with that artist spotlight, there should be a document on Google Classroom on that Friday that you're able to make a copy for yourself and edit. If there ever comes a point where the document is glitching, please either write down on a separate piece of paper or you can create your own Google document with the answers to these questions. And that will be submitted on the Friday post. That will not be submitted in the weekly turn-in basket. Okay. We are making something to master the elements of art. The elements of art are 7 words: line, shape, color, value, form, texture, and space to describe all art. These are our basic ingredients. You're going to find some of these in every single piece of art you look at, whether that's a Hydro Flask sticker, the Mona Lisa, a Banksy. All of them have the same words. And this week we're going to make a trifold, as in a paper that folds into 3. You'll have a middle section that is hidden by 2 sections going like that. And this week I'm going to have you take a picture of the outside and take a picture of the inside. And I've included a view of both onto this PowerPoint. So step 1, this is where you're just going to fold So it covers the middle section carefully and it meets in the middle here. So it's going to be a jacket design and it's going to look a little bit like that. You are then going to measure and write a line to divide your paper into 7 equal sections. Every single section, if you're doing this on a normal piece of paper, will measure about 1.5 inches. Okay, and so if you want to measure 1.5 inches going and then stop and then going and then stop, that's okay. That's what I would do to make sure everything is even and every section is about the same size. And you're also going to do that 1.5, 7 sections in the inside as well to make sure everything is broken up. After that, you are going to write the names of your elements onto each section. So one section for line, one for shape, one for color, one for value, one for form, which are 3D shapes, one for texture, how something looks or feels, and one for space. Now, if you do not know what these are or what the definition is, don't be afraid. There is a handout in Google Classroom Week 1 that will tell you the definitions, and this presentation will give you a lot of ideas of different examples as well. So, and then once you're done writing it in pencil, I want you to go back in pen. You're going to decorate every single panel with an example of that element. So color, if it's color, I want to see color. If it's shape, I want to see shapes. If it's lines, I want to see lines, for example. All right. You are then going to write or print. I've included a printable document that you can just cut out the definitions and glue them inside, or you can just write them down with your pencil. That's okay too. They just have to match the appropriate panel. So if this is the line panel, when I open it up, it should have line first, for example. When you are done, you're going to take a picture of the outside and you're going to take a picture of the inside and you're going to submit it onto Google Classroom in the week 2 turn in basket. Good luck, guys.